Over the next couple of weeks, you will be working on your academic course plan. You will leave the course with a roadmap to completion of your associate degree. If you have not already done so, please thoroughly read the directions before starting the assignment. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I am here to help. In this video, I will discuss the instructions as well as resources you will use to complete the assignment. You will use your curriculum standard for your particular associate degree that you're working towards here at Wake Tech. In addition, you will use the 4-year pathway published by the university of your choice for your intended major. If you are unable to find specific community college pathways, you should find the degree requirements for native students at that specific university and use that information to plan your coursework at Wake Tech. Of course, I'm available to answer any questions, and an advisor can help as necessary. The assignment instructions, including the due date, along with the template, to-do list, and advising checklist for each degree program, is located under the Lessons folder in the Major Assignments file. This is also where you can upload the assignment upon completion. Let's talk about the instructions. At the top of the template, be sure to enter your transfer university, intended major, and circle, underline, or highlight the degree you are pursuing at Wake Tech in addition to entering your name. This section is worth 10 points. Before beginning mapping out your coursework, take a moment to read the notation above Semester 1. If you have taken courses below the 100 level, you do not need to list them on your plan unless it helps you in mapping everything out. If you decide to list them, remember to enter 0 for the number of transferable credits, as these courses will not count towards your degree here at Wake Tech or your bachelor's degree at the 4-year institution. Even if you plan on transferring before completing your associate degree, you will still need to plan out your entire degree for this assignment as instructed. You do not need to plan coursework that you will complete after transfer. Beginning with Semester 1, you will enter all previous coursework. Those are courses that you've already taken here at Wake Tech in previous semesters, transfer credit from other colleges and universities, and AP credits from high school. You can record this one of two ways. You can enter the information semester by semester in which you took those courses, or you can label the first box previous credits and enter all previous coursework in one box. Be sure to total your credits for each semester. If you are unsure of the credit hours earned for each class, consult your unofficial transcript or pull the course description in WebAdvisor. If this is your first semester, you will just begin your assignment by entering your current semester schedule. Next, you will enter your current semester schedule. Be sure to total your credits. Now is a good time to mark off all coursework you have completed off of your curriculum standard. Look at what's left. These are the courses you will map out to take in future semesters. Remember, in the UGETC courses, you have choices within each category. The italicized sentence in each category will tell you how many courses you must take to satisfy that requirement and from how many different subject areas, so please make note of that. Remember, for AA and AS students, you will need to take a communications class to earn your associate degree. You can take COM 110, COM 120, or COM 231. If you take Communications 231, it does satisfy one of the 3 courses that you need for the Humanities Fine Arts requirement. When choosing your additional general education and pre-major elective courses, be sure to consult the list of transferable courses. These are the courses that are approved for transfer under the CAA. You want to select courses here based on your intended major at the transfer university. The list of transferable courses is categorized based on the designation for those particular courses. What you'll see first for each UGETC category are what are coded as UGETC courses. Remember, those are the classes that are guaranteed to transfer to any of the 16 UNC system schools and will count as general education with a C or above. Under that, you will see what will constitute as additional gen ed for that particular category. Remember, with a C or above, that will transfer to any of the 16 UNC system schools. Now, at the bottom of the sheet, you are going to see other transferable courses. This is your selection for pre-major electives. So here are your choices. This is where you want to be strategic based on your major at the four-year school. For example, if you want to go to NC State and major in accounting in the Poole College of Management, you would want to take Accounting 120 and 121 to help you prepare for your major courses. In this section, if you need any help picking those classes, use your four-year pathway. Be sure to email me with any questions, and you can also speak with an advisor. When looking at your university pathway, you want to evaluate it to see what graduation requirements are going to be awaiting you in order to earn your bachelor's degree. That way, when you're picking classes here to satisfy your additional gen ed and pre-major elective hours, you can opt to take those courses here and have them transfer so that you don't have to take them when you get to the four-year school. So look at your university pathway for foreign language, health, and PE requirements to determine if you want to take those classes here. In addition, look at the pre-major courses for your intended major to select courses. If you have any questions here, contact me. Remember, the advising department will be open during spring break, so they are a valuable resource too if your schedule permits you to go see them during break. Lastly, links to all resources needed for this assignment are found in the Course Resources file under Curriculum Standards, Articulation Agreements, and UNC System Pathways.